Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's the Bosch Dishwasher, how to top up the rinse aid. Right, let's get cracking. This is the Bosch Dishwasher doing a cycle here, and as you can see on the front, the light is on saying that it needs rinse aid. So after it's finished its washing cycle, we need to top it up with some rinse aid. Once the dishwasher cycle is finished, then you can open the front door, not to your house, to the dishwasher, open it all the way down. And the rinse aid reservoir is in here, so just lift this flap up, take your finished rinse aid, and then just start squirting it in until it fills all the way up to the top of the rim. There's a link above now about how to keep your dishwasher hygienically fresh. And why do we use rinse aid, do you ask? Well, apparently you get shinier and drier dishes, and you definitely do get shinier glasses. If you put glasses in, beer glasses or wine glasses, they definitely come out nice and shiny. So just keep filling it up. When it's filled up, close that flap, close the door, and then next time you do a wash, that rinse aid light will go out. And now it's time for a lovely cup of tea. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. There's also some other videos around the edges of the screen here. If any of those are useful to you, then you can select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.